It wants to raise capital for the first time by issuing equity shares. So what it is going to do? It is going to issue new shares. Yes. Why it is going to issue the new shares? Because it wants to raise capital. It wants to raise capital. So should it go to primary market or secondary market to issue its shares? So what would be the answer? Can you write in the chat box? What will be the answer? Where they should go? Yes? Newly incorporated company. So, it should go to anyone writing in the chat box? One second, I'll check your comments. Yes, Ashleen, you have given the correct answer. They should go to primary market. So, here, since it's a newly incorporated company, they should go to the primary market to issue its shares. Now, next question. Should it offer its shares through public offer or rights issue? Now, what is public offer and what is right issue? Yes, public offer is offering shares to the public. Rights issue, second time when the company is issuing shares. So Joy Company Limited should offer its shares through public offer to raise capital for the first time. Next question. What will be the issue of equity shares by Joy Limited Company called as? So what will it be called as? It will be called as IPO or FPO. What is IPO? Initial public offer. What is FPO? Further on public offer. So company is newly incorporated. It is going to offer its shares in primary market. Yes, it is going to do public offer. So the issue of equity shares by Joy Limited Company is called as initial public offer. So I hope you have got the answers. Yes. I'm trying to highlight it, but since this is Acrobat Reader, it's not happening the way it always happens. Okay, fine. I hope you got the answers for the first case study. Yes, we will go on to the second case study now. Mr. X is the CFO, that is Chief Financial Officer of PQR Company Limited, which is a reputed company in the field of construction business. Often Mr. X has to decide on investing surplus funds of the company for short duration. At times, he also has to decide the sources from where he can raise funds for short duration. So I hope the question is understood to you. Mr. X is the Chief Financial Officer. They are doing construction business. Their surplus funds are invested for short durations. And sometimes they also have to raise funds for short duration. So assume on behalf of the company, Mr. X has rupees 5 lakhs and he wants to invest for a short period. Should he buy equity shares or certificate of deposit? Now, short period, he wants to invest for short period. So then in that case, on behalf of PQR Company Limited, Mr. X, the CFO, should buy certificate of deposit to invest rupees 5 lakhs for short period ranging from 7 days to maximum 1 year. This should be your answer. Okay, I will repeat the answer slowly so that you jot it down. Okay. Answer for question 2A. If you have your notebook and pen, please keep them ready and write it. On behalf of PQR Company Limited, Mr. X, the CFO, should buy certificate of deposit to invest rupees 5 lakhs for short period ranging from 7 days to maximum 1 year. Now, if you have missed, you can re-listen the lecture link again. Okay. Moving further, the B question, the company has surplus funds and wants to invest it. However, he needs the money back in 4 months. That means the investment needs to be done within 4 months so that they have funds for investing. They have funds for investing. Yes. So should he invest in treasury bills or government securities? So for it is for short period, no, because he requires the money back in 3 months, back in 4 months, right? So what should be the case? Mr. X need to judge as how much requirement he have, and he should invest in how much period of time. So the answer, please note it. On behalf of PQR Company Limited, Mr. X, the CFO, should invest surplus funds in treasury bill for short period of 4 months. So what will be the answer? Treasury bills. Okay. So he will invest in treasury bills because it is for short period of time. Now, 2C, can the company issue certificate of deposit? Now, over here, you see, they want to invest also, they want to raise also. So, can the company issue certificate of deposit? See the answer now. PQR Company Limited is a reputed company in the field of construction. It is not a financial institution. Hence, PQR Company Limited cannot issue certificate of deposit to raise funds for short duration. Only commercial banks and financial institutions can issue certificate of deposit. So the answer over here is no. Company cannot issue certificate of deposit. So it's a 1 mark question, but for that 1 mark, you just write no. Sometimes the examiner may just give you half mark or full marks. Again, if you write the full reason why no, then your 1 mark has weightage. Okay, overall impression of the paper also increases. Yes, so no, the company cannot issue certificate of deposit because it is not a financial institution. It is doing construction business. Even if you write it in your own words like this, it will be correct. Okay, so these are for 3 marks each. So 1 mark for 1 question. So you have 2 case studies over here. So we have completed 3 marks and 3 marks, that is 6 marks. So chapter 11 case studies are done.